Might be this. We're getting so late at night here. We actually were headed back westbound towards downtown LA. So scrap everything I said about sheriff's deputies because we are talking about LAPD, and the
Okay.
sheriffs are talking to LAPD as we make our way through the Arts District and Japantown, and we're now on 3rd Street, and 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 now they're saying that I think they're saying that they are not going to take this over. So now I'm just wondering
Who's?
what yeah, it sounds like the helicopter might just stick with it here is what I'm hearing now.
Well,
Helicopter sticking with it. No ground units right now. So well, I don't know. How is this one going to end?
there we go. And there we got our tall buildings there, Desmond, which makes it a little more difficult.
We do.
You got them.
There
I
we
see
go.
them.
And I think we're going to go through a tunnel here right now as well. And we have seen
Yes.
that pursuits have ended in these kinds of tunnels before.
That's
so we've
correct.
got to keep a wide shot and watch both sides of this tunnel because suspects will do a U-turn if they're
Or
able
ditch
to.
the car.
Yep, and you see LAPD's spotlight here as well. Ah, there we go. We got it. Okay.